Hello, dear children. Welcome to today's class English. Today's topic is parts of speech. Okay, parts of speech. We can categorize English words into 8 basic types called parts of speech. Okay, so this helps you to analyze sentences and understand them. It's quite important to recognize parts of speech. It also helps you to construct good sentences. Okay, now what are the 8 parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, conjunction. Okay, so how many parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, conjunction. Okay, so there are totally 8 parts of speech. If anybody said there is 9 parts of speech, yes, one determiner is included. Okay, now we'll see the topic noun. Okay, now what is noun? Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. Okay. So what is noun? Noun is word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, animal. For example, Akbar for person, then Chennai for thing, computer, animal, dog. So for the noun, man, women, teacher, John, home, office, town, America, table, car, banana, these all comes under the noun. Okay, so what is noun? Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, now we'll see the types of noun. Okay, how many types of noun? There are 5 types of noun. Okay, 5 types of noun. That is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Okay, so what are the 5 types of noun? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. First, we'll see the proper noun. Okay, so what is proper noun? A proper noun is a specific name given to a person, place, or thing. For example, a personal name or a title. Okay, for example, Hari, Akbar, Stephen, Kyle, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, Africa, United Nations. So these all, the particular name given to a person or a place. Okay, this is proper noun. One important thing is a proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Okay, next common noun. Okay, what is common noun? A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. Okay, a common noun is a noun that refers to a people or a things in general. Okay, for example, boy, girl, women, tree, country, bridge, city. These all comes under the common noun. Even school, student, teacher, boy, girl, this is also common noun. Okay, next collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group of people or things. Okay, collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together. Okay, example, police, army, government, team, jury, place, nation, even family. This is all collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together. Next, abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun which refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions. Okay, things that cannot be seen or touched and things which have no physical reality. Okay, for example, truth, danger, happiness, time, friendship, humor. Okay, abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state. Okay, so quality is kindness, honesty. Okay, action, laughter, hatred. State is youth. Okay, ma. So this is abstract noun. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state. Okay, so examples for quality: kindness, honesty. Next, action, laughter, and hatred. For a state, example is youth. Okay, so this is what abstract noun. Next, material noun. Okay, what is material noun? Material noun is the name of a raw material of a product. Okay, for example, gold, silver, fiber, diamond, wood, clay, cotton. So this is what material noun. Now we'll move on to the book back exercise. Okay, in the blanks with the suitable collective noun: choir, shower, bowl, flock, cup, pear, swarm, bunch, head, bottle. Okay, now we'll do the exercise. First one, a dash of cows. Answer, herd. Second one, a dash of birds. Answer, fleet. Third one, a dash of singers. What is the answer for this? Choir. Fourth one, a dash of milk. Answer, bottle. A bottle of milk. Fifth one, a dash of tea. Answer is cup. A cup of tea. Okay. So first one, a herd of cows. Second one, a fleet of birds. Third one, a choir of singers. Fourth one, a bottle of milk. Fifth one, a cup of tea. Okay, ma? Okay, sixth one, a dash of ants. Answer is swarm. A swarm of ants. Seventh one, a dash of grapes. So answer is bunch. A bunch of grapes. Eighth one, a dash of rice. Answer is bowl. A bowl of rice. Ninth one, a dash of shoes. Answer is pair. A pair of shoes. Tenth one, a dash of rain. A shower of rain. Okay, so this is the exercise of collective noun. Ma, just recollect the noun and what are the 8 parts of speech. Just recollect it. Okay, how many parts of speech? 8 parts of speech. What are the 5 types of noun? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Okay, so study well, revise the portion. Thank you. Take care, ma. Okay, thank you so much.